Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Streacom DA6 XL. So friend, Streacom has announced the DA6, a vertical open frame SFF case with a unique take on design and construction. And friend, this vertical layout was ideal for fanless convection cooling but also allow for a compact footprint that combined with the downward facing pod created a product that look great from every angle. And friend, with this achievement under the belt, we set to outcreate vertical SFF case that could be used to showcase premium component, be versatile enough to meet the over increasing size and cooling demands of gaming hardware, and of course being Streacom incorporate our premium and unique approach to design and assembly. And friend, it comes with just under 20 liter in volume, admittedly that upper limit of SFX, but the metric include open space for feet and handles. Actually body volume is only 15.9 liter. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, this chassis is priced at 139 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.